Holi is the Indian festival of colors and joy. I know you all are excited to celebrate Holi. Let me share the story behind the celebration of this beautiful festival. A lot of mythologies are connected to the celebration of Holi. Let me share one of them with you. According to Indian mythology, there was once a demon king by the name of Hiranyakashyap who won over the kingdom of earth. He was so egoistic that he commanded everybody in his kingdom to worship only him. But to his great disappointment, his son, Prahlad, became an ardent devotee of Lord Narayana and refused to worship his father. Hiranyakashyap tried several ways to kill his son, Prahlad, but Lord Vishnu saved him every time. Finally, he asked his sister, Holika, to enter a blazing fire with Prahlad in her lap. For Hiranyakashyap knew that Holika had a boon, whereby she could enter the fire unscathed. Treacherously, Holika coaxed young Prahlad to sit in her lap, and she herself took her seat in a blazing fire. The legend has it that Holika had to pay the price of her sinister desire by her life. Holika was not aware that the boon worked only when she entered the fire alone. Prahlad, who kept chanting the name of Lord Narayana all this while, came out unharmed, as the Lord blessed him for his extreme devotion. Thus, Holi derives its name from Holika and is celebrated as a festival of victory of good over evil. Holika is also celebrated as the triumph of a devotee, as the legend depicts that anybody, howsoever strong, cannot harm a true devotee, and those who dare torture a true devotee of God shall be reduced to ashes. Since then, the celebration of this holiday is done by colors and joy. Thank you all for watching our video and learning about Holi.